Hello, and welcome to my presentation of the Mary Kay University Beauty Consultants Microlearning site. Um, I'll go through some of the features and the instructional design behind this site. First, you'll notice the menu, which we affectionately call the album cover menu, is actually a portal that ties directly into Mary Kay's learning management system. So every time we click on one of these steps, and these steps are the steps that a new beauty consultant will go through over and over again for some of them to do their job. They can go to any step based on which one they want some help with. For example, here is how to book a selling appointment, maybe later after the skincare party. And every time they click on one of these, if they have already started one, I'll go a little bit sooner here. I've gone in, but I have not yet done any of it yet. This is talking directly to the Mary Kay Learning Management System and is pulling based on this user and then signing into the Mary Kay site what microlearning modules are part of their job. So for example, if I go into the step 1 getting started, then we've divided this into 3 to 5 minute learning segments. We're calling them lessons based on at what point the beauty consultant is at and where they may need help. So again, it's completely optional. They get to go directly where they want and get the help on what they need. So for example, there's an intro, and it's simply just a video that's talking about their journey and the joy of their journey. They have something that's called Explore Your Why, and this goes through a number of questions to ask why they have joined Mary Kay. What is it that they're trying to do to improve their lives, improve their income? Maybe they're wanting to fund college. Maybe they've just gotten a divorce and they need an additional source of income. Whatever that is, we go through and ask them a series of questions. And then based on the questions that they answer, we are starting to build up a video library of people whose story is similar to them. And then they can learn more about how these people, and these videos are just up and posted in the library, and they can add as many as they want, are like them, so they can relate to them. A little bit further down in the I story, if they want to create their journey, if they want to, kind of create their desires, what brought them here, because that could be something they might want to put on their website. They can do that here. Here is one on exploring what came in the starters kit, even an activity on them building their own business plan. If I go back home, there are even some micro-learning activities around performing certain tasks. For example, if they want to book an appointment, there is a micro-learning on actually here, booking objections. So if you want to go through a little role play, practice back and forth, goes through a lot of different dynamic branches. It's sort of unlimited how many branches this can go down. You can say, I don't wear makeup, and say, okay, I get it. You're not a makeup girl. We would pick it. And then we move along, says, well, I can't think of any need. I'll talk to you later. Some of these might hang up right away. Some might keep them going. I can appreciate what you're saying. What you're saying is you really like the natural look. And then that was an answer that they enjoyed, and then they get some more choices. And again, there could be 10, 15, 20 ways of going through this conversation. But we even have those kind of learning objects inside of it. Now, the thing that's most exciting is all of the content is actually stored in a content grid, or basically a spreadsheet, and we are using Google Docs to collaborate with the client. So everything that you saw on the screen, this is the exploring their why, that is going through all the different questions and the yes or no's, and saying what the questions are, what the first answer might be, and if they click it, is there a video that's going to pop up, the name of it. If the answer is no on these, there isn't a video that would pop up. But this is where we or the client could very quickly change the content, add questions, change out the videos. So everything in here even the creating your own business plan is all part of the content grid. Even the videos, the graphics, any the sounds are all something that could be very quickly and easily edited and uploaded, and it is basically a process of minutes to update the course. And all of these can either be hosted on the Mary Kay website, or we can wrap them into SCORM and post them on their LMS, which is what we are doing. I hope that gives you enough of a background on the Mary Kay project, the microlearning methodology that we used, and even the way that we are presenting it and giving them access to it.